Hello, class. Here's my audience. Say hi, audience.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, class. I'm Amanda Barana Pino, and I am coming to you today to give you my demonstration speech on how to prepare chicken spaghetti on a budget. First of all, I'm going to give to you all the ingredients that are included in making this. First of all, you need two 10.5 or 10.5 ounce cans of cream of chicken. And then you need one 10.5 ounce of cream of mushroom. You will also need a 10 ounce can of Rotel tomatoes, depending on how spicy you want it. I just use mild Rotel tomatoes. And then I couldn't find the small jar, but I usually use just half of a big jar of Cheez Whiz. And then you need a 16-ounce box of spaghetti noodles. You'll also need, I use the rotisserie chicken just to make it easy, but you can prepare your chicken, boil it however you like your chicken. It doesn't matter. I use the rotisserie chicken from your local grocery store. It usually has a lot more flavors than just boiling your chicken. Um, then I cook my noodle. I prepare other things in advance, like if you want to cook your chicken, you cook it, you boil it ahead of time, and also your noodles. You cook your noodles to the instructions on your box of noodles. Um, Also, for the chicken, I usually just peel the chicken breast out of the chicken, the rotisserie chicken, and I just make big pieces. Some people prefer to chop up their chicken, so I have a handy held chopper, and you can even use it if you want to get out some aggression. So, and then you have some shredded cheese to put on top before you bake it. Um, so I'm going to prepare this for you right now. Let me talk to you first about the prices that I found um, to prepare this meal. The half a jar of Cheez Whiz would be about $2. Your can of cream of chicken would be about $1.20, so you need two of those. You need one can of cream of mushroom, which is also about $1.20. A can of Rotel tomatoes runs about $1. The bag of spaghetti is also about $1. The chicken is probably the most expensive part. The rotisserie chicken I got for $6. Um, and so this is approximately about $12, and it usually is about 8 adult servings for this meal. And so I'm just going to prepare the meal, and I empty all the jars into a bowl. That was the cream of mushroom, and then I'm going to do the 2 cans of cream of chicken. And you just mix all of the ingredients together. I don't drain the juice on the Rotel tomatoes. I use all of it that's in there. And now I'm going to put the half a jar of Cheez Whiz. And now I put in all of the chicken. And I usually just stir all that up before I add in the noodles. This is a great, easy meal to prepare. It's really fast. I think that it's an economical meal, especially for a large family. It feeds a lot of people. Or also if you're a college student, You could eat on this for several days. Um, Now I'm going to add in my noodles. I usually don't use the whole box, but I do cook the whole box just in case I need them. It's usually about 3/4 of the box of cooked noodles. And I just put half of it in there and you stir it up. And depending on how, if you want it to be, to have more noodles or more sauce, it's your preference. I also add some seasonings in there. I do add in some seasoning salt, just as I don't really measure all of that. Just a couple of shakes of your pepper. And then I stir it all together. And then I put it in a large baking dish, and I preheat my oven to about 350. And I just put it all in the dish. And you just spread it out. And then when I'm finished with that, I add some parsley on top of the spaghetti. And then I add my cheese. I set my oven to about 350 degrees. And you cook it for approximately 15 minutes just so you get the cheese boiled, because everything else in the meal is cooked. And I just sprinkle the whole top part of the chicken spaghetti with cheese, and then I throw it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it is a delicious meal. It's prepared fairly easy and fast. The only thing that would take the longest was chicken, however you prepared it. And it is reasonably cheap, and that's my demonstration on how to make chicken spaghetti, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.